Hi everyone, my name is Zhang Yi. I'm a exchange student from China. I choose the article how to build a computer from scratch. In the article how to build a computer from scratch by Winston Gordon, we learn that the basic principles behind the different computer components and what we should take into consideration. Goldbang explained the detailed process about building a computer by raw materials, and he also introduced the basic knowledge about the computer, such as we want hardware basics, building computer, know how to choose and buy the computer parts which are suitable for you, how to put all the components together to build the computer, and how to install operating system. Gordon starts by explaining three general sorts of computer: low performance, middle of load, high performance. The idea of what kind of performance we want from our computer determines what source of computer we choose. It is first thing we have to make it clear that what is the main function we want from our computer. After that, the author introduces the basic hardware we need to build our computer and explain what is function of them. They are process, the motherboard, the case, the ring, the graphics cards, the hard drivers, the optical drive, the power supply, and some other parts to consider, such as Wi-Fi card. The process is not large but really important part of computer, and also one of the most expensive parts of computer. Its function is carrying out all the tasks we give computer. The motherboard is just like an assembly line. Put all the other important parts together. There are many matching course features in it. The ring is like computer short-term memory. It stores data. Computer needs quick access to help computer run faster. The graphics card is a processor designed to handle graphics. The function of a hard driver is storing all documents and files on the computer. It is the long-term of computer. The case, the optical driver, and the power supply are also important and necessary. The author goes on to say the next main topic: how to choose and buy the parts which are suitable for your machine. In this part, he explains the important considerations for each component. For example, for processor, clock speed and the number of store cores are the two big things we have to look at. For motherboard, what you have to take into consideration are socket type, size, number, and type of external ports, and more of supported ring, integrate graphics, number of setup ports, number of PCI slots, and chipset, and so on. Besides those parameters, he introduces the list of famous brands for each part. We also need to consider the OS we want to run and the programs we will be using, and check the requirement. Furthermore, Gordon also introduces some shopping strategy under our belt, so we can get the best parts of our machine at the best price we can. Also moves to the next topic, which is the most important part of the article. In this part, The author gives us a detailed process to build a computer. After we get all the necessary components, it's time to put them in correct way. To begin with, we should take motherboard and screw it on the one side of our case. The next step is to take our processor and put it in the motherboard's processor socket. After that, taking cooler that came with processor, use silver cmo paste and set our cooler on top of our processor. Finally, we can install our ring by just finding right sockets on the motherboard, pulling two clips and put the ring in. All types of PCI cards we can install by finding the right slot for it and screw it onto the case. Then these steps are done. We are leading to success. After putting everything together, the last step to finish our work is installing operating system. First of all, we have to choose which operating system to install. It depends on what you want to do on your computer. For example, we usually install Windows operating system, so the first step is configuring BIOS. If we want to install OS from CD, DVD, we must let the computer start from optical drive. If we want to install OS from UPen or mobile hard disk, we have to let the computer start from hard disk. After that, we put the DVD in the optical drive, then we can restart the computer. Next, when start up, we can process install now. Everything will be done automatically. So now we finish all the work to build a computer. To conclude, from the article, we can acquire the basic knowledge about the basic hardware of a computer and how to put them together and make it work. And the article is easy to understand. I think everyone is able to build a computer from scratch after reading this article. 谢谢, thank you very much.